Down by the lane where the youth still play, echo of drum on the golden day. Me hear the rhythm of my mama's song. Hold your faith, son, stay strong. Smoke up the herb, rise up to the sky. Old man hum while the children cry. Life so rough yet we carry on. Under the sunset of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the sky. God bless the people who never say goodbye. From pain to love we build our sound. Under the sunset in a Trench Town ground. Oh, hey. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Rhythm so sweet. Love and struggle where the heart still beat. No matter how Babylon come around, we still rise. Trench Town sound. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. You see me brother strum the guitar tight, singing freedom tune deep in the night. My sister dance with the candle flame. Say one heart, one blood, one name. Every tear become a melody. Every fight write our history. From the ghetto come the crown. We kings and queens of Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Light in the breeze. Sound of hope travel across the seas. No more chain, no more bound. We free in the sunset of Trench Town. Together, from Kingston to Accra, one love conquer all. Drum beat up, the spirit respond. From the earth to sky beyond, we feel the ancestors sing around. Bless the sunset over Trench Town. Sunset over Trench Town. Fire in the heart. Roots and love, that's where we start. Music heals, your love surround. Peace and pride in a Trench Town song. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yo. Sunset over Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Fire in the sky. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sunset over Trench Town. Burning gold. Story of the people strong and bold. From the struggle to the crown, Jah light shine on Trench Town. Oh, yeah. Trench Town. Oh. Me walk again by the sandy street. Heartbeat echo with the drum beat. Children laugh, elders pray. Sunset bless another day. Trench Town, live forever. Oh.
Tree, me and you talk about the dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me heart with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Pure and true. the night get cold. You and me too, soul entwined. In a jar light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word make me spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. God bless our love from the start. The roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Yeah. Hold me close, me darling, true. Love so strong, it carry we through. God bless this bond, God bless this way. Roots of love forever stay. Me no fear tomorrow when you dey here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love. Love deep like a tree. Stand firm through eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Bloom again and again in sunshine, in joy, in rain. Shall guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Pure and true, every beat me heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. I feel your heartbeat next to mine. Love eternal, Jah divine. Through every trial, every shove, we rise again with roots of love. Jaja warrior, stand tall, stand firm. No matter storm, no matter burn, roots and culture shall return. From the dust of Africa, me ancestors' eyes. Through the pain and the fire, still wisdom in their eyes. Babylon try break we with chain and gun, but the spirit of the lion can't be overrun. Walk barefoot on the sacred ground, hear the heartbeat of the drum, that thunder sound. Me carry history in every vein, me soul no bow to Babylon chain. Stand firm, Rasta man, don't lose your way. Even when the night swallow up the day, hold the torch, let your spirit burn. One day to Zion we shall return. Roots, roots warrior, carry the flame. Call upon Jah, no fear, no shame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Never play the Babylon game. Roots, roots warrior, heart of steel. Faith in Jah is the shield we wield. From the hills to the battlefield, truth is the weapon we reveal. They laugh when you rise and cheer when you fall, but the righteous never crumble, we answer Jah call. System push you down, try mash your pride, but a true warrior fight with Jah by his side. Me see my brother in chains of poverty, me see my sister cry silently. So I chant psalms we break the spell, let the trumpet of freedom ring like bell. No retreat, no surrender. Jah love make the heart grow tender, but don't mistake kindness for weakness. Roots warrior stand in the heat, yes. Roots warrior carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name. Roots warrior carry the flame. Stand strong in the lion's name.
yourself from mental slavery. Bob Marley chant, none but ourselves can free our mind. Peter Tosh cry, equal rights and justice. So we stand as warriors of roots and never resign. Warrior, warrior, now you're being fire. No chains, no liar. Jah take we higher. Roots warrior, heart full of fire. Drum beat rise like a holy choir. From Kingston town to the banks of Nile, warriors march every step, every mile. Roots warrior, don't die inside, even when Babylon collide. We no run, we no hide. Jah warrior stand with pride. Jah warrior stand tall. Carry the roots, carry them all. To Zion we call.
When the night come down, me heart start to hum. A sweet, sweet rhythm from the beating drum. Your eyes like fire, your soul like rain. You wash me sorrow, you ease me pain. Girl, you're the blessing from Jah above. Me find me peace in your tender love. No diamond shine like the light you bring. Every time you smile, me heart starts sing. Me say, baby, don't you ever go astray. Cause your love guide we every day. When the storm come crash and the night get cold, we hold each other, never lose control. It's a sweet melody of your love, flowing down from the stars above. Every heartbeat, every breath we take is a song of love that Jah create. Sweet melody of your love, like a dove flying over the sky above. No fear, no hate can tear apart this love that live inside we are. Me remember when my life feel dry. You bring the water, you make me high. Your voice like sunshine after rain. It heal my wounds, it ease my pain. You teach me patience, you teach me grace. In your arms me find my place. No silver, no gold can buy this way. Jah know me love you every day. So let the rhythm play slow and long. We sway together to just sweet song. Through this struggle, me not complain. Cause love like ours never go in vain. And sweet melody of your love, blessed from the heavens above. Through the fire, through the rain, our heart beat one again. Oh, sweet melody of your love, we rise like morning dove. No chain, no wall can break this love Jah himself create. Jah loving our soul tonight. Shine your light, oh Jah light. When darkness come, we still hold tight. Cause love is strong, Jah make it right. All together, one flame, one destiny. You and I, Jah harmony. And sweet melody of Jah love, rising high like morning dove. Let the trumpet sing, let the bless the love between me and you. Sweet melody, Jah love within we. Oh, in every breath, in every seed, sweet melody of Jah love forever flow from above. Oh, again. Me wake up with the sunrise glow. Hear the birds them sing, feel the river flow. Me spirit whisper, don't you fear. Jah light shine bright, it's always here. Inna the struggle, me find me peace. Inna the storm, me find release. Though the world so cold, me soul still warm. 'Cause Jah protect me from every harm. Light of Jah rising over the mountain high. Wash away the darkness, open every eye. Peace and love in every nation, guided by Jah revelation. Light of Jah rising, burning on my soul. Give the people strength to make them whole. From Kingston town to Africa shore, Jah light forevermore. Whoa. Me see the youth them lost in a war, searching for hope but gone too far. Me tell them look within your heart, that's where Jah fire start. No matter the color, no matter the creed, one blood, one world, one seed. Love and truth, the only plan. Jah create woman and man. Hold up your head, me brother, me sister. Don't let Babylon twist ya. Jah give you life, Jah give you song. Stand tall, you've been strong too long. Light of Jah rising high in the sky. Bless the children, never let them cry. Every beat of the drum, every chant we sing is a prayer to Jah, oh our King. Light of Jah rising, shine on the way. Lead us out of night into brighter day. Roots so deep, spirit strong. Jah love carry we along. Jah, thank you, Lord. Me heart and soul restored. Umoja for life, peace we trod. Guided by the hand of Jah God. I rise up now, oh children of light. Jah love make everything right. Africa drum, beat the call. Light of Jah shining for all. Light of Jah rising, burn so bright. Fill the world with holy light. No hate, no war, no more pain. Only love shall reign again. A light of Jah rising, deep in the sound. Spirit of freedom all around. From Kingston streets to Zion shore. Jah light forevermore. Sun still shine across the sky. inhabit of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we all love tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope to hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land, but the blood one flame. Hand in hand, no matter the skin. Black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only win. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity of the law of Jalan. Elders say history carved in stone and tears, but courage born from struggling years. Fire burn, but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand. Me see youth them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. Oh mama Africa, your drum beat till the earth, your drum beat till the earth, yeah. Zion children rise up high, lift that spirit to the sky. No more war, no more cry. Love the truth, no lie. One people, one voice, we try. One people, oh, one sea, we try. One drum, one soul, sound the freedom call. We might stumble, but we never fall. From Port-au-Prince to Senegal, Jah love surround us all. One drum, one soul, chant the healing sound. Even when the night come down, we hold the light, we stand the ground down. One love, one heart, still profound. Boom, the drum still playing. Boom, boom, the drum still playing. Boom, boom, the drum still playing. Heart still praying, words still changing. Yeah, the drum still playing. One soul, the drum still one love remaining. The drum still playing.
Rain fall from my window, silence in her room. Mama lights a candle, praying through the gloom. She said, child, even when the night feel long, remember every tear can become a freedom song. Daddy gone, but his voice live in our breeze. Stand tall even when you down on your knees. So me wipe me eyes, step into the sun, cause the journey hard, but me not run. Every broken heart can rise again. Every lonely night must meet the dawn. Jah never leave you in a deep pain. Hold on strong, keep moving on. Tears turn to freedom, cries turn to song. What was weak yesterday now strong. From Trench Town streets to Cape Town sky, we lift with voice, with spirit high. Tears turn to freedom, no more chains. Love wash away the deepest stains. Hold the fire, keep it burning bright, till the whole world step into the light. Me see youths them fight just to survive. Me see hope in the little child eyes. Them barefoot, but them still dancing rain. Teach the world how to smile through pain. Africa drums calling, come back home. Jamaican breeze, home in ancient tone. Every tribe, every heart, every land, be the rhythm of one mighty hand. Oh, Jah, guidance, guide we steps through the storm and silence. Oh, Mama Africa, we feel your love in the drum and fire. No more sorrow, ghetto corner, some mountain top. We rise up, never stop. Tears turn to freedom, hand in hand, one blood, one love across the land. Oh, the world try break we down, still we crown with Zion sound. Freedom coming in the morning light. Wipe your tears, everything alright. Jah love carry we through the fight, till darkness fade out of sight. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets grace. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be. Island of peace, set me free, where my heart's meant to be.
Hear the sirens in the streets again. Another youth brought down by the system's chain. They say freedom is for everyone, but the poor man still can't see the sun. No more life, no disguise. Open up your conscience eyes. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line, we're standing tall. No retreat, no surrender, we won't fall. Human rights can be bought or sold. Blaze the truth, let the fire unfold. They build walls made of fear and greed, while the hungry cry out for a piece of bread to eat. I raise my voice like a soldier's drum, cause the revolution time has come. Oppression must burn like the morning mist. Equal rights is the message in my fist. No chains can hold this rebel soul.
youth, let the fire unfold. Justice on the front line. Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beat na my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sun to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild.
They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still live on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop the people rise high. Roots man vibration,
Feeling on the ground,
drum and bass keep rolling round and round.
from Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound. Jah light never lost, it's always found.
Roots man vibration,
Rise up and stand.
all your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. Which one is roots man vibration?
Me see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clearing as I am breathe. Freedom grow like fruit on the tree.
Some say progress mean forgetting past, but without root, no tree can last. So stand tall, my brothers and my sisters. The root at the start, not the end.
Mama Africa, me hear your song. Roots man never go wrong. From Ghana to Jam down land.
One jaw, one heart, one stand.
Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Hey, Jaja, we still hold on.
Roots man vibrations, pick up the war.
Freedom voice, echo for all.
No more chain, no more fear.
We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration.
Light up the sky.
Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Roots man heart forever strong. Drum still beating, fire still burning. Roots man stand tall, just still turning. Africa, mama, I'ma feel your call. One world, one love, for all who care.
Still be early morning, sun arise from the hill. Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough, but me will hear the drum beat from the distance. Africa calling, even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustling in a cold city street, barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure, but we no retreat. 'Cause lion heart still a beat, beat, beat.
Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when them push you to the darkest side, hold your prayer, let your soul confide. Jah never leave, Jah never hide.
Lion heart still beat, in a fire, in a rain. We rise again, although we feel the pain. From Trent Zone to Soweto Plain, we chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat, no surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. All and strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone, building hope from the fall. Politician talk, but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming of better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on that tree. Speak truth, bold love and unity. He say, freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa flowing, you and me. Hey mama Africa, we hear you calling ya. Oh Jaja, guide with soul, never let we fall. Up warriors, stand tall, stand tall. Love are the key, love conqueror.
Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we raw once more.
Lion heart still beat, let the world unite. Black, white, every nation in the light. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. We destiny is freedom right.
Oh, lion heart
Still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path. Me a walking.
no change, no fear, just love we speaking.
Mama Africa twisting. We coming home, yeah. From Jamaica to Ghana, from Haiti to Congo, yeah, yeah, yeah. Once we were kings with golden crowns, then they broke us, tore us down. But roots grow deep beneath the sand. You can't erase Jah master plan. Drums of freedom call our name. Through every fire, every flame. From the ashes we still breathe. We are the children time can't defeat. So lift your voice to the morning sky. No more tears for the days gone by. Oceans apart but spirit near. Africa calling, do you hear? Africa we rise again, mama. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. They stole our names, burnt our flag, made we walk with heavy back. But Yoruba blood, Swahili song, still alive, still beating strong. Hear the children chant Hakuna Hofu.
No more fear.
Hear the elder whisper Jah is here. From diaspora tears we climb, turning sorrow into holy rhyme. Oh, Uhuru, Uhuru,
Mama land we coming home.
Amandla Awetu,
Power to the people.
Jah guide, Jah shield, we never alone.
Africa we rise again.
Yeah, yeah.
Africa we rise again.
Oh mama, yeah. Africa we rise again. Through the fire, through the pain. No chain can stop this rain. Blessings fall like sugar cane. From Kingston to Cape Town shore, we are one forevermore. Africa, Africa rise again. Jah is the drum in every vein. One heart, one drum, one destiny. Jah bless Africa,
humanity. Yeah. Rastafari. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Oh. Raindrops fall upon the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch heal me deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving at the rubber dub rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune, no fame. Still I whisper softly your name. Loving at the rubber dub rain. Like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain. Forever in this rubber dub rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane. Warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care. Long as your fingers run through me here. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving on the rubber dub rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving on the rubber dub rain.
You ease my soul, you heal the pain.
Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say, love is our weakness, but no. Love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows.
Soft chant,
Rubber dub rain.
baby, don't let go. Rubber
Rubber dub rain.
love will overflow.
Loving out the rubber dub rain. From Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again in rubber dub rain. Fall, love call. You and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain. Mama Africa, why you cry? Why you cry? Oh, she wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market calls. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food in sight, but we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, our spirit live, it will never decay. Rich men dine in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, and still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry her story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Why you cry? Children hungry, no food in sight. Stand as one, stand as one. But we sing Amandla, Umoja unite. Stand as one, stand and hold on tight. We'll make it right. The day I saw your smile, time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling.
Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On a one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. On the golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On a one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Oh, oh. Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can't cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets gray. One love, highway. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, me whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away. In your arms, me wanna stay.
Loving out the moonlight, under silver sky. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat and mine. Girl, me never know love so kind. Like a reggae song, sweet and divine.
Loving out the moonlight, slow wine and sway. Two souls dance until the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart say, darling, I love you so. Whoa.
want the whole world to know.
Loving under moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day. If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. But love is the river, forever it flows.
Moonlight, oh, shine by you and me tonight.
Love so right,
Love so bright. Moonlight, oh, yeah,
Hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call me name. Say, son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall. Me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through my vein. The system try to break me down, but my spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on my dream last night. Come home, my child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in our bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant down Babylon every dawn till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world learn. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Wear your crown. Simone, rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu, Jah fire, keep the spirit bright. Drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall. Roots so deep, can't tear down. Lion rise, reclaim the crown. Rise of the lion, roar again. Freedom flow in every vein. From Jamaica to motherland shore. Love and justice evermore. Rise of the lion, Jah bless the sound. Truth and strength in every ground. We chant tonight till morning light. Lion rise in Jah's side. Ah, oh. Oh, lion roar.
For the children of Zion once more.
Oh, rise, oh, lion rise. Let your fire light up the skies. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Da 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 da. Whoa, 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 whoa. From the hills to the valley low, sacred herbs of Jah still grow. Oh, they call it illegal,
system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand, Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children's eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. Stand tall, no chains again. Even when we feel the pain, hold the line, don't lose your flame. Just soldier, never walk in vain. Me see kings with crown but no heart inside. Me see poor man share his bread worldwide. Them build border but love no wall. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echoing every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Mama Africa,
We feel your heartbeat.
oh brothers rise and fight.
Stand for truth and
Stand
love.
broken spirit
No more tears, no more.
Your light guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no chains again. Let the fire of freedom reign. From Kingston town to Soweto plain, we chant till the whole world gain. Stand tall, no chains again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no chains again. Stand tall, my friend, till the very end. Your love we defend. Tell me love ain't easy, it's a battlefield. Me smile and say still my heart won't yield. We're fighting not with gun or knife, but truth and love, it changed the life. Me see our tears, me wipe them away. Tell our baby we'll rise someday. This love ain't soft, it's a rebel fire. Burn Babylon lies with your desire. Rebel of love, me fight with heart so pure. Stand tall in truth, me soul secure. No gun, no hate, just faith above me and you. The rebel of love, rebel of love. Burn through the night, love is our weapon, truth is our light. Hold me and we'll rise above forever. Rebel of love. In the ghetto we sing our song against the system that keep us wrong. But when me see your eyes so bright, me know just send you for me light. Love ain't weak, it's revolution, breaking down the institution. We chant for freedom hand in hand. Love, go change the land. Every kiss a promise we make, every touch a chain we break. Me no need gold nor fame above, me need only truth and love. Rebel of love, hear me call, Jah guide we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. Rebel of love, rebel of love, hear me call, Jah guide we stand through it all. My heart on fire, me rise above forever. never die. Rebel of love, rise so strong, beat of the heart, eternal song. No matter what them speak above, we live and die as rebel of love. Me and you, hand in hand, love rebuild the broken land. Rebel of love, we won't give up, cause Jah pour the blessing in our cobra score. Rebel of love. Yeah, rebel of love. Oh, na, 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 na.
Walking through the valley of shadows and pain, but my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still, cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night, them burn down the village, steal the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar, we not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says son, keep your faith alive, even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant we are singing loud. No change from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Kingston to Ethiopia land, raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by our side, we will never die.
Drums beating like a thunder in my chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won.
No, chant down Babylon.
Shut them down till the morning comes.
Stand up everyone, one heart, one soul, we strong.
Africa, we home again.
Mama Africa, heal the pain.
We rise like the bright red flame.
Freedom chant we are singing loud. No chains from we soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion Sound, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun a shine in a morning sky. Whoa. Freedom chant, yeah. Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Voices in my head keep telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper, love is always here. Boy, raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold.
show. But I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Oh, yeah. Let the drum beat carry you away. Let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jaja will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. No chains can hold a soul that sings. No crown can rule the heart of kings. Rise up, push through the storm. Oh, hearts too can be warm. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Even after the darkest night, the sun will rise again. Trust in Jah plan. Whoa. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, promise morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes life remains, and the sun will rise again. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels sunrise.